In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Stripe. We'll be walking through the process of adding a new settlement currency inside your Stripe account. This is useful if you want Stripe to settle funds in a different currency, or if your business operates in more than one region and you need additional currency options available. To get started, open Stripe and make sure you're on the home area of your dashboard. Once you're in the main dashboard view, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps your account level configuration options, including business details, banking settings, and currency preferences. After the settings page opens, find and click Business. This section contains the operational settings for your account. So if you're looking to manage how money is received or settled, this is the right place to be. Next, click Bank Accounts and Currencies. In this area, Stripe shows the bank account information connected to your account, along with the currencies that are currently enabled for settlement. If you don't see the currency you need yet, don't worry, that's exactly what we're about to add. Now click Add a Settlement Currency. This option allows you to expand the list of currencies your Stripe account can settle in. Keep in mind that settlement currency refers to the currency Stripe pays out in, which may be different from the currency your customers use when making payments. Once the Add Currency window appears, select your desired currency from the drop-down menu. Take a moment here to choose carefully, especially if your business has specific payout or banking requirements. In some cases, the currency options available may depend on your country, account setup, or connected bank accounts. After choosing the correct option, click Add Currency. Stripe will then save the new settlement currency to your account. And that's it. You've successfully added a new currency in Stripe. If needed, you can return to the same bank accounts and currencies section later to review your available currencies and make sure everything looks correct. It's also a good idea to double check that your bank account setup supports the currency you've added, so your payouts work as expected. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change currency in Stripe.